And as I stand here today as Minister responsible for agriculture, fisheries, marine resources and cooperatives, I am pleased because I made a commitment earlier this year to transform the sector. And now, given that mandate and responsibility, I am on that mission of transformation. And standing here today, we see another gesture that will move that mission forward, where we are donating tools to our children through the school farm, which manages all the farms of all the schools in the country. And these tools, we expect, will go a long way in transforming the mindset of our young into a more positive mindset towards agriculture, where agriculture becomes cool. We know that it is necessary because we all must eat. But when it becomes cool, fun, and exciting by our youth, then it becomes a ministry that our young people will be looking forward to being a part of. And that is exactly what we want. Because the only way that we can move our transformational agenda forward is to have the buy-in of our youth, because they are the future. They are the ones that when we want to sit in our rocking chairs will be the productive sector out there producing. And if we don't grab them now and harness that now, then we may be in for a future that we may not be happy of. And that is why we are taking this step forward, to ensure we mold those young minds into a more positive outlook on agriculture. And these tools, I hope, will go a very long way in shaping that.
Indeed, the Ministry of Education is excited to be partnering with the Ministry of Agriculture and Department of Agriculture in relation to tools, equipment, fertilizer, chemicals, and so on. This morning, I'm seeing here we will be given several tools, but I recognize that we not only need tools, but we need so much more. We speak about sustainable agriculture, and so we want to really improve in all aspects. We're going to welcome these tools, and we're going to be seeking assistance in terms of seeds, chemicals, fertilizers, even support from persons from the Agri department to come and speak to the students, encourage them, motivate them, let them have an appreciation of agriculture, not just in school, but as they finish with school later on.
This initiative is a part of our, as I said before, our World Food Day week of activities. And so we are leaving no one behind. That's the theme for this year, leave no one behind. That includes the young.
It is always a pleasure when we have the Ministry and the Department of Agriculture partner with us here in education, and most on the school farm, to ensure that our youths are properly equipped, to ensure that our students are properly equipped for agriculture. Remember, these are the persons who are going to be the future farmers. So on behalf of all the Ministry of Education and the staff and the students that comes to the school farm, even our primary school students who will be heading here shortly, we just want to say a great thank you to the Ministry of Agriculture and to you, our Minister, for this gesture that has been offered to us. And we assure you that this and all other gestures coming forward will be put to good use.